How's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Enoylity Technology. This is Milind over here, and today we are having this monster RTX 3070 Ti, the latest graphics card from Nvidia, and we are having the Zotac version in front of us. So quickly having a look at this amazing graphic card from the Zotac. Let's quickly unbox this thing.
Tenosure 4DDIC is a genuine data recovery software that can be used to recover lost data from any Windows, Mac, USB flash drive, SD card, external hard drives, and many more. Download the software from the link in the description and use the coupon code to get 30% off. Open up the software and register with your purchase code. As we can see here, it can recover data from all the various scenarios, including it can repair your corrupted photos and videos. Firstly, select the location from where you lost your data, select the file type you want, and then proceed. The software will start searching, and you can even stop or pause the search in between. As the process gets completed, hit recover and save the file. Do keep in mind that do not save the file in the same location where you lost them.
First of all, here we get the manual, a quick start guide, which is pretty nicely textured. Here is our most powerful RTX 3070 Ti. It is definitely a massive card, guys, as you are able to see 3 fans, lighting on the top, and having HDMI as well as 3 display ports. Pretty heavy, pretty big, and pretty much powerful in terms of the performance as well. Apart from this, Zotac is actually providing 2 dual 6-pin to 8-pin power connectors as well. So in case if you don't have that in your PSU, it makes it pretty easy for you to actually use this card in your previous PC builds as well. Apart from this card basically offers 8 gigs of GDDR6X memory with a 6144 CUDA cores, which can easily get boosted up to 1770 megahertz, which actually supports a 256 GB of memory bus. And this is really a beast in terms of the performance. In terms of the price, $600. It is one of the best cards that one can get at the current point of time. Now, practically speaking, regarding the performance and the benchmark, I just ran some of the amazing benchmark and the test with this card, especially in the gaming. We tried out the Assassin's Creed Odyssey and other, as you're able to see over here. And in overall, it is a actually pretty decent card, and I can frankly say that this is a perfect card for your 4K 60 FPS gaming. It is literally monster, guys. I tested out it in comparison with my other cards as well, like the GTX 1080 as well as the RTX 3060. It actually performed thrice faster as compared to that of the GTX 1080. Means it is totally a monster considering the performance and the overall price tag as well. Apart from this, regarding the rendering performance and some creative workflow, it performs really amazing as well. Rendering speeds are pretty decent. Here are some of the benchmarks of that as well. So this was a quick overview of this latest RTX 3070 Ti from the Zotac. One of the best cards you can get at a very reasonable price for your gaming, for your rendering purposes. And if you're looking to get one, links are available in the description down below. Definitely consider checking them out. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Are you looking to get the latest 3070 Ti or any other RTX version? Let us know in the comments down below. Once again, guys, this is Milind from Enoylity Technology. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, thanks for checking out this video. Peace out.